Look at that, it's like a neutron star. Everything's all lit up. Hello guys, welcome back to Unported, isn't it? Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, right now it's New Year's Eve and what we're going to do, we're going to get a shot of the fireworks. I'm in Chalk Farm in North London, Camden. So what we're going to do, we're going to take off the drone now and we're going to get a 360 shot. So I've never flown during New Year's. We'll do it right now and let's see what it looks like. So it's going to get high up in the sky. So right now it's, check the time on my watch, 11:57. Alarm's going to go off at 12 o'clock, so I'll tell you when it's actually New Year's. It's really loud here. So we're going to go to max height. The drone's up. My friend's here, it's up there. Look at that, you can see whole of London, look at that.
Wow.
All of the boroughs.
Nearby New Year's.
Yeah, when New Year's. Huh? Look at that.
Nearby to it.
Yeah. I think that's North London.
No, the London Eye area.
We're gonna go to the London Eye area in a second.
Go there.
Not go there, but like get a shot there.
What is that?
We could probably see it here. Look. Okay, that's the BT Tower. The London Eye area. Where is that gonna? I think that's down here. It's going to start to get busy in a second. I think that's London Eye. Look, that's London Eye. We're going to just keep facing that way. What's the time right now? 58, yeah?
58.
Alright. Just going to wait for the... I'm not going to like fly like horizontal anyway. I'm just going to stay vertical because there's an NFZ. I was going to fly in central London, but there's an NFZ everywhere in central London, a temporary NFZ, so that's why I couldn't fly there.
Show me on the...
So yeah, I'll show you.
Send me a screen.
So that's London Eye, I think.
Is it London Eye?
Right there.
There?
No, I can't take it there, no.
Right.
It's too far. And plus there's an NFZ. Wait, where's London Eye? Like, I can't, like, tell. Wait, what's the time now? Open the time is app. Open the time app.
One last minute.
Wait.
Hey, the fireworks.
Starting, look. New Year's, bro. 2026.
Where's the fireworks?
Where's Waterloo? Oh look, Waterloo's there, look. We can see it, look. It's so hazy. That's central London right there, look. Look at that. Actually insane. Insane atmosphere. Let's get the local fireworks. Where's the fireworks around here? Oh, here it is. Let's get a shot of central London now. Look at that, the whole of London is lit up. That's the fireworks in central London. Primrose Hill was closed as well. This is the shots that we would have got if we were at Primrose Hill. But since it was closed down, my drone is doing the job. See the BT towers right there. Let's get the shots. Let me get the shots. Insane. Like last year, I messed up. Like I went to a random spot and I couldn't find anywhere to take off. All of London lit up, all of the London boroughs. Alright, let's go this way, come. Hello. Which way did it come from?
Yeah?
This way, yeah? Alright, let's go this way. I'm gonna bring my drone with me. Look at that, it's insane, insane shots. Get shots of all around London. It's quietening down now. I think that's the look. That's the Waterloo area. Look at that. That's the Central London fireworks. That is actually mental. I mean, we're a bit far from it. I was gonna fly really close to it, but then there was an NFZ in that area, so I couldn't do it there. Plus, it would have been really busy in that area anyway. Look at that. So that's definitely the Waterloo. That's definitely the fireworks at London Eye. Let me stay here for a bit, yeah. Let me just land the drone. Look at that, that's insane. Got the drone right next to me, so right above me, I mean. Look at that, that's the Central London fireworks. That's where the main fireworks is happening. When we can see all the London fireworks. The whole sky's lit up, look. The sky's lit up by the London fireworks. You can see that cloud. Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. Look at that. All of London lit up. You can see it from the horizon, look. I think the fireworks have died down now, so I think what I'll do, I'll land it in a bit because it's going to get quite late. Look at that, that was a loud spark. The fireworks have died down now. Look at that. Whole of London lit up. That is insane. I mean, even if I did fly and get the Central London fireworks, there's probably many shots of it anyway. Like there's helicopters flying there getting shots for live TV anyway, so my footage won't be like any nearby different. So me flying in this area, I'm getting like footage that you'll never get before because we're in the other side of London. Look, this is where the main fireworks are. Near the BT Tower. Look at that, that's insane. This is what's below us right now. We're at Chalk Farm Station. I'm right here. And while we're right there, we're just going to get shots of the fireworks. Look at that, you can see it from here. There's like a different perspective of the London fireworks. It is freezing cold, but I'm wearing my thermals right now, so look at that, you can hear it. Look at that, that's insane. So you can see the Shard there. There's not much shots around London anymore now, it's just all about the Waterloo area. So I can like synchronise the shots that I'm getting of the fireworks in Waterloo and what I'm getting here. Look, in the corner you can actually see flashing lights of aircraft. That's helicopters. That's actually filming for the TVs. You probably can't hear those fireworks from here, but at least you can see it. Look at that, those are insane fireworks. You can see the Shard in the corner. Look at that, that's insane. We might be quite far from it, but at least we're getting a shot of it.
Here we go.
Yeah, in a bit.
Let's go. It's gonna be late.
Yeah, I'm gonna land the drone now. You can actually see the light show. Look at that. You can see.
Come, bro, let's go.
You can see the light shining right there.
Come, let's go.
What's the time right now?
12:10.
12:10. All right. Look at that, it's like a neutron star. Everything's all lit up. Crazy. You can see the lights from the fire, from the London Eye. Alright, so you know what? I'm gonna land the drone now. It's gonna get late. But as we land the drone, we'll get shots of going down. Look at that. Let me land it here.
Then just take it up and you can take it down. Huh?
Alright, for 1 second, just press this and that's it.
Which? This one?
Up stick, yeah.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's it. That's calm. You drove it. You drove my drone.
Come, let's go.
Wait, let's see the. Let's have the Lords go into the fireworks.
See you going up again.
Wait, one more shot. Wait,
Man.
we got good shots of the fireworks. I'm gonna land the drone now. I can actually feel the freezing air from the drone. Anyway, I'm going to end this video now. That was an amazing drone flight of the New Year's Eve 2026. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.